What's going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you with the next part of the Kingfisher build. So as you can see, got the front cowling put on. To be honest, this has been probably one of the more difficult parts to the kit, just because the fact that the way that they built the cowling into the multiple parts like it is, engineering had to be perfect, and it was just a tiny bit off in a couple of spots. Really difficult to line it up, especially given that the only mount point for the entire cowling is this front ring, which is attached to the motor. And as you can see, it has quite a bit of wobble, just with the support bracing, which I mean is prototypical for the actual aircraft. But the problem with that just is the fact that it's not very stable and doesn't lend itself to really locking in the way that it should. So probably gonna wait until I get a little coat of primer on it, see how it looks. Probably I'm gonna have to come in and kind of clean that up though. So in either case, we got the engine all detailed up here. So let me lock that in, try to get some brightness in there. So try to point out some of the details here. The cocktail stick. So got the pots all painted, went ahead and ran a ignition wire from the ring up to each individual cylinder. So that's all done. To be honest, unless you're going to display this with all of the cowl open, there's not a lot of benefit to putting the back end doing a lot of the back end detail on the engines. Again, unless you're going to be leaving this cowl either off or open. So just maybe a word of advice, don't go too crazy with detailing the back end of the engine. You're definitely not going to be seeing it at all on this aircraft once all of these are on. So, but yep, that's all done. Now I'll have to go through, get everything kind of masked off. I'm gonna get the interior black sprayed here on this top cover, get that ready to get the windshield on it and stuff like that. And yeah, primer will be on here within the next day or so. Again, short update, just wanted to show you guys the work that was done with getting the cowl on the front, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.